This is the pH of a weak acid solution. Example 2. Let's determine the pH of a 0.50 molar hypochlorous acid solution. First, recognize that hypochlorous acid is a weak acid with a very small Ka. Therefore, I'll skip the ice table and go to approximating the equilibrium H+ concentration. I have explained the ice table and approximation in earlier videos, which you can see here. So let's jump to the approximation. We can approximate that the concentration of H+ is the square root of the Ka times the initial concentration of the hypochlorous acid. This is 1.3 times 10 raised to the minus 4 molar. Next, we'll check the percent dissociation and find that the dissociation is 0.026%. This is also explained in earlier videos. The approximation is less than 5%, thus the approximation is acceptable. And the pH is the negative log of 1.3 times 10 raised to the minus 4. This is equal to 3.89.